Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a 3-layer flower. This is a 2-layer flower. I have used it on baby headband and shoes. 3-layer flower is for head. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply crystal yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 for making petal. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet. Make 3 chains. Make double crochet into the ring. Make 3 chains. Make a double crochet into the ring. We have 5 double crochet stitches. Now make 3 chains. Count the stitches, chains 1, 2 and then 3. Into the third chain make a slip stitch. Now this is our first round and we would make all petals of layers on this first round stitches. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the chain 3 space and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is called our half double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. You can also make 3 double crochet stitches here if you want. Petal smaller in size. In the end make a half double crochet stitch and our first petal is ready. After chain 3 space we have a double crochet stitch. Make a slip stitch into this double crochet stitch. Now make a half double crochet in next chain 3 space for the second petal. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. In the end make a half double crochet stitch. Second petal is also made. Make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch next, and in this way work in these chain 3 spaces and make other 3 petals and weave this starting yarn end with the help of needle. So I have made all petals. In the end we would make a slip stitch into the same chain 3. First layer of flower is ready. For the second layer we would work from behind in these first round double crochet stitches. So with this yarn make a slip stitch into this chain 3, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5. So I have made 5 chains. Now go into the next double crochet stitch right here and make a slip stitch into it. You can see I am working from the side of double crochet stitch. Make 5 chains again and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Make 5 chains again and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Five chains again, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch right here. It's a little bit difficult to work from the side of double crochet stitch, so make 5 chains again and in the last here we would make slip stitch into the place where we have already made a slip stitch, because this is our starting. Now we would make second layer on this chain 5 space. So go into this chain 5 space and first of all make a half double crochet stitch, then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and double crochet 9. 4 double crochet stitches are increased from the first layer. Now make a half double crochet stitch and our first petal for the second layer is ready. Now make a slip stitch into this next slip stitch which we have made in the double crochet stitch. Now work in the next chain 5 space, make a half double crochet, then double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and then double crochet 9, then make a half double crochet stitch, you can also make 7 double crochet stitches here with a difference of 2, but if you want to make a larger flower with more difference in the petals of first layer and second layer, you can increase 4 stitches in the second layer, then make a slip stitch into the next slip stitch and make other 3 petals. So I have made other 3 petals also. Now this is a 2 layer flower. You can use it on other different crochet projects, baby products. Now make a slip stitch into the same slip stitch we have made in the starting of this round, and now we would make third layer. So make a slip stitch from the back side of flower into the same chain 3 first, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6 and then chain 7, Now we would make 7 chains and make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch of the first round. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6 and then chain 7 and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6 and then chain 7 and make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. In the first layer we have 3 chains, in second layer we have 5 and in third layer we have 7 chains. So you can see the increasing pattern of this flower. You can also make it 4-layer flower with the same increasing pattern with 9 chains in the end, and instead of 13 double crochet stitches will be made in the third layer, and in the fourth layer you would make 17 double crochet stitches, which will have 4 increase double crochet stitches. Now in the end make a slip stitch into the loop of first slip stitch into the chain 3 and we would start working into the chain 7 space after that for the third layer petals. Now start working into this chain 7 space. First of all make a half double crochet stitch in it. Now make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, 11, 12 and then last one is 13. Now we have 4 increased double crochet stitches in this third layer. In the second layer we made 9 double crochet stitches. Now make a half double crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch into the slip stitch loop of next double crochet stitch. So make other 4 petals with the same process of making half double crochet, 13 double crochet stitches and half double crochet. I have made all petals. Now in the end make a slip stitch into the slip stitch very first slip stitch. Now pull a long yarn strand to weave this flower, to attach this flower to hat. Our 3-layer crochet flower for hat is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to watch the other tutorial videos also of different crochet baby products like baby shoes, summer shoes and baby frocks, jacket and hat. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.